Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heston the Quickest, and in this video I'm going to be giving my subscribers a huge pack of fighting sound. What makes Hollywood movies so dope is because of the sound effect they add to each punches, swings, kicks, etc. So take note, this file is password protected, so you are going to watch the video from the beginning to the end to get the complete password. And take note guys, the first link on the description will give you access to some of these fighting sound effects, while the second link on the description will give you access to the full pack of these fighting sound effects. So without more ado, let's get started. And don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.